Yes, hello friends. So this is the video tutorial for today's Leetcode POTD, which is find minimum operations to make all elements divisible by 3. This is an easy problem and I think it's pretty simple to solve it. So what the question says is, you're given an integer array nums. In one operation, you can add or subtract 1 from any element of nums. Return the minimum number of operations to make all elements of nums divisible by 3. And the constraint of n is also very less, like n is around 50, like at max, and num size is also at max 50. What you need to see here is, let's say my array is okay, let's say my array is 1 7 2 4 5. Like this 7 element, how many operations do I need to make it to divisible by 7? So there are two strategies, right? One strategy is to add elements to it. If I am adding element to it, I need to change it to 9, because 9 is the next element, 3, that is divisible by 3. So I would add 2 here. If I'm subtracting, So I'm subtracting. The next element, the previous element that was divisible by 3 was 6. So I would do one operation here. So how I can efficiently count is, see, if for each element sorry, nums I mod 3. So mod 3 basically gives us the remainder when we are dividing this element by 3. So if you don't know about mod, this is the short explanation. You can look more into it. But see, mod 3 values could be 0, 1, 2. If this value is 0, I can just do nothing, because the element is already divisible by 3. If it is 1, I can subtract minus 1 into it. So now, see, nums I minus 1 mod 3. So num side minus 1 mod 3. What would this be? So if it was 0, it would, uh, let's focus on this. So if it was 1, that would be 1 minus 1. So that would be 0. So it would now become divisible. So if it is 1, I should minus 1. If it is 2, I should add 1. Because if I add 1 here, uh, if I add 1 here, so this would become 2 plus 1, 3 mod 3, which is 0. So now it is divisible by 3. So So yeah, this is a strategy. For if it is in mod 3, it is already 0, so I do not need to do anything. If it has a mod, if it has a mod 1, we can subtract 1. If it has mod 2, we can add 1. So these two will take one operation. This will not take any operation. Let's go to the code. What we need to do is create, let's say, an answer variable. And answer equals to 0. Go over all the elements in the array. Okay. For auto x over nums I, if x mod 3 is not equals to 0. So now we need to do an operation, and we at maximum we just need to do one operation. Answer plus plus return answer. So pretty simple code. Let's submit it and hopefully it works. And okay, we get a compilation error because this should be only nums, not num size. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it works. So, yeah, thanks for watching. It was a pretty simple question. If you liked it, you can subscribe. All of that thing. Bye.